Yogi, Virendra Yogi, beloved friends, yoga has become a way of life. The life is still in action all over the world. The whole world has gone towards Hatha Yoga. Postures, breathing techniques and meditation all over the world. And 21st June is celebrated as International Yoga Day in every country of the world. Yoga has nothing to do with religion. In this small video, I am going to tell you the magic of yoga. Why yoga is so important for our life? Because once we live our life, we live in the body. So the body has to be very healthy, sound, masculine. All the systems of the body are in perfect order. That is achieved by asana and pranayama, what we call postures and breathing techniques or breath control. So yoga gives us the blessings to be physically very strong. Next part is, unless we have purified our mind from all the evils and devil's thoughts, and we really sow the seed of truth, justice, peace, love and non-violence, by controlling, restraining all the drifting nature of mind, by meditation, we can't become happy. And once we are happy, we can live a very good life. Body, mind united, controlled and directed towards attaining any definite purpose of our life, to be having a holistic approach. Health, happiness and harmony, not only with self, but with our system, society, nation, country, organization, and all over the world. The basic concept of yoga is the world is one. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Beloved friends, when I talk about yoga bless you with the power to be very healthy and strong, how? Before we tell you the truth, let's discuss about our body. The body is a very complex and complicated machine. It comprises of different systems. First is the infrastructure system, what we call skeletal system, muscular system, cardiovascular system, nervous system. These are called infrastructure system, beloved friends. These all combined together really make just like a vehicle, an automobile. And then we need some regulatory system, and that is our, endocrine system, lymphatic system, urinary system. They are really regulatory systems. And lastly, we get reproductive system, which is very, very important for perpetuation of the species. The human race has to continue. So the body has got a reproductive system. The sex is different from male and female. The female will have fallopian tube, fimbria, uterus, vagina, and all the systems which is situated here in bottom line. And male will have testes, tubes, and penis. Beloved friends, so these 8 systems what I told you, let me tell you again. The skeletal system, the muscular, the cardiovascular, the nervous, the endocrine, the lymphatic, the urinary, and reproductive. These all 8 systems needs energy. But for energy, nothing can work. So the beautiful nature has provided us the supply of energy through respiratory system, respiration, inhalation and exhalation through the lungs. Here we are using pranayama, regulating our breath. means pumping lot of air which contains oxygen to our lungs, which in turn absorbs the oxygen in the capillaries, and that is sent to our heart. So the heart absorbs in the RBC, red blood corpuscles, and through arteries and veins is sent to different organs, limbs and tissues. Beloved friends, that is very, very important. Energy, that is facilitating in burning the glucose and fructose, that is nutrition. Then what is the source of nutrition? Digestive system. See how beautiful the nature has planned us. Digestive system is very, very important. That is giving the fuel. Food becomes fuel through our digestive systems. We eat, and then it goes to the stomach, then intestine, and then all the digestive process starts. We have got liver, we have got pancreas, we have a spleen. They all facilitate digestion through intestine. Everything is absorbed, the energy source, and then these oxygen and the nutrients, they are passing through our arteries and veins to different cells, organs, and body get nutrition. Oxygen oxygenates our every part of the body, so we feel energetic, enthusiastic, wonderful. Reproductive system is very important. Unless there is a reproduction, we cannot have our next generation. So beloved friends, I tell you, how yoga helps. Yoga helps you to maintain all the systems of your body in perfect order, in a condition. When you do yoga, you are yourself a mechanic of an automobile. A mechanic maintains all the systems, the chassis, the body, the drive systems, differential, gearbox, everything in perfect order. So by doing postures or asana, you really make your body in a perfect condition. Now, what is most important is the fuel. Remember it. If we compare it with the engine system, the drive system, the engine needs fuel. And fuel comes by diesel, gasoline, petrol in the vehicle. Here we are supplying fuel, that is very important. So once you are doing yoga, you should regulate your diet. Otherwise the systems will not get proper nutrition. But in the machines, like the automobile, they cannot consume lot of fuel because there is a regulation. But human being, they are greedy, they eat too much. So unless there is a control of diet, you cannot become healthy. Obesity and the quality of food, the lifestyle, that affects also your health, happiness and harmony. So dear friends, yoga suggests you to be mostly vegetarian, less quantity, good quality, vegetables, fruits, lot of other items which can really give you sufficient nutrition to your body. So food is very, very important. The digestive system control it. So beloved friends, I told you, to be healthy, physically you have to be very strong. You have to maintain your weight. So regulate your diet, regulate your breath by postures and pranayama. That is the magic of yoga. You can have different sports activities, but nothing can give you this benefit which you derive out of your yogic postures and pranayama. Beloved friends, the next system is mental system. Yoga is not working on your body, but yoga also works on your mind. Because the very definition of yoga is yoga chittavritti nirodha. Yoga is restraining your mind and stuff from taking different forms. Because mind is very flickering, very drifting, very wavering. It cannot be stable. So yoga teaches you by what technique we call meditation to pinpoint your concentration of one object or idea or theme. And then gives you theme what you can think about. The theme is non-violent, truthfulness, non-stealing, controlling your sexual urge, not being very possessive, cleanliness, clean your body, mind and soul, contentment, then perseverance, persistence, determination and willpower, and then personal initiative, positive mental attitude, self-discipline, self-control. And you must recognize the mystery of the supreme regulator of the universe, what we call infinite intelligence. You have to align yourself to your natural origin, that is, merging your individual consciousness with the supreme consciousness. That is very important. Otherwise, you have originated from the universe, and if you are isolated, you will be like a baby newly born away from the mother, and you cannot survive. So, beloved friends, the whole purpose of this video was to enlighten you to know the magic of yoga. Yoga is physical, mental, spiritual and emotional balance. It teaches you world is one. You have to live in harmony with birds, beasts, animal, plants. It also teaches you the transitory nature of life. It makes your mind so much pure that you will never do anything wrong, and the absolute law of cause and effect will work, law of karma, law of compensation. Because what is described in yogic literature, with your wisdom and intelligence, which is the perfect knowledge of the way of living life, you feed your mind with noble thoughts. And mind is your slave. You are not slave of mind. Then mind controls all your limbs, all your senses. And then your wisdom and intelligence make you enlightened. When your mind becomes still, your senses become still, your intelligence becomes pivoted on the noble truth, you become really enlightened human being like Buddha did, Vivekananda did, Maharishi Patanjali did. Come on, dear friends, let's make our life a life full of health, happiness and harmony. Love each other. Saturate your mind with positive thoughts, joy, serenity, calmness. Expel all the negative mental attitude, greed, anger, hatred, jealousy, cynicism. The world should be full of happiness and joy for everyone. Everyone has to live happily. And then, in Sanskrit it is said, Asado ma sadgamya, tamso ma jyotirgamya, mrityu ma amritam gamya. Bring me from darkness to light, from ignorance to wisdom, and from all sorts of evils to the purity of life. Also, Sarve bhavantu sukhina, Sarve bhavantu sukhina, Sarve santu niramaya, Sarvbhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukham ma agbhavet. Beloved friends, always law of karma will work. This is absolute, undeviating, unperturbed law of the nature. Be close to nature, because yoga is naturopathy, the path to ultimate enlightening, words, thought in action, the life skill in action. Thank you very much. Learn about your body systems. Learn about your mental functioning and embrace it and use it in every walk of your life, and spread the wisdom of enlightening to everyone. Sarve bhavantu sukhina, Sarve santu niramaya, Sarvbhadrani pashyantu, Ma kaschit dukhma bhavet. Nobody should be unhappy. Nobody should be depressed, discouraged, fearful, doubtful, ill or sick, physically, mentally, spiritually, emotionally. Thank you very much.